Oh, I go on people, you don't know so the Yaadman sports in a minute now, but they are again with a thing called Baddis in a Paris. We still bad, you know. But right now, Jamaica is just a soccer sad people. One soccer. And you don't know so the day 9 recap. And today, I got shot, coming in a bag attack. So first thing, we qualify for the 4x4 meter relay for the woman them. Nice and easy. But you hear me now? I'm not lie, I'm still disappointed about the 4x4 man them. That thing there, to me, is still a problem. Because the man them have the choice to go running at the 4x4 to qualify in a stadium. And people, look upon the man them. None of them not qualify in a them individual event. Come on man, make me talk, I just vent me event. Me disgruntled and next people. But anyway, that gone already? Next event. So Daniel Williams and Janique Brown never qualified for the 100 meter hurdles for the woman them. But Akira Nugent, she gone through. But you hear me now, Akira, when you go to the final and do your thing, my girl. Show them you are who. You know the 4x100 for the woman them, you forward a 5th. And I not lie, I not complain. Cause the girl them go hard, then do them best out there in the rain. But you hear me now? I don't want to hear no slander about the girl them. I hear some people that talk about Sasha Lee Fabs. But you hear me now? Sasha Lee and Gabby Thomas run the same time on the curve, people. Good they run hard. Big up on yourself, ladies. When you trying the best and you doing the thing. In the triple jump, Jaden Ibert could complete the thing because it look like him did it. But you hear me now, Jaden? You see in September, you just go down to Peru and do the do. Now, the last event, the 400 meter hurdles for the man them. I not lie, we really want to get a medal with Russia and Clark. But when you see the next medal, people, it look like they just sit down and park. The young brother they run hard and it look like they are going to come back. But just like that, the soccer start return and him hit a hurdle and drop flat. Hush brother. But people, that was a perfect representation at Jamaica at the Olympics here. We just a drop medal, I drop this, I drop that, but of bath. Anyway, if I one thing we can say, they give the whole country like a giant of the day. If you see Kung Fu Kenya and the US run left the baton in the relay. When they laugh, don't. Me did laugh too. I hate that though, people. Tomorrow is another day. And the Yaadman Sports shall be here again with a recap without delay. Magan.